Hello, welcome to Lloyd Land Rover. I'm James. Today I'm going to show you this rather delightful Defender 110 D250 HSE. This one comes in the Santorini Black metallic. As you can see, it's looking stunning from the front there. We've got the silver sparkle 21-inch alloy wheels, the 5-spoke alloys on the side. As an added extra, this one's fitted with the side steps, which is a necessity for most of us who don't have the longest legs in the world. The car comes with keyless entry, and also it's got the sliding panoramic roof on top. Looking in the back of the car, there's bags and bags of storage for all your bits and pieces. The added benefit of the load liner cover on top there, a nice ruggedly built, as you would expect of the Defender. So looking around the side of the car, you can see it's got the rear privacy glass and what we call the alpine lights on the top, letting lots more light onto the interior. Speaking of which, moving inside the car, this car comes with the Windsor leather interior and also electric memory seats for the front passenger and the driver on there. This car has done 23,548 miles at the time of recording the video. It's got the added benefit of the air suspension, which you can operate from here on the centre console. We've got the Pivi Pro navigation system, where you've got wireless Apple CarPlay and wireless Android Auto. There's cup holders and lots of storage in the front. A lovely deep storage compartment in the centre console underneath the armrest there. All in all, this is a superb looking car with low miles, lots of desirable extras on it. If you have any further questions at all, you can drop us a line on 01642 644 444 and we'll be happy to help you from there. Thank you.